Here's how you make a table in WordPress. I'm editing a page here, and I'm going to choose a block. And you see it here listed, but if it's not there, you can type the word table and just choose that. And then here you can set what kind of grid you want. How many columns, how many rows. Let's do 3 rows and 2 columns. No, let's do 3 columns. And there's a table. Now we have some options here. I'm going to put some content in just by typing it. And there we have a table that has 3 columns, 3 rows. I'm going to hit save and we'll view it real quick. And there it is. But we don't really know what these columns are for. What are these numbers? So over here, I'm going to click on the right header section. And here we can type first name, last name, and age. Now the column names are centered, but you can click there and up here click align column left. Now you can also add a footer section. So if you had a very long table and people could get to the bottom and not remember what the columns are, you can put in a footer that shows the same information. Now we also have the option here to set up design stuff. This is default, and we can also choose stripes, and they show a cool little highlight there. So if we just choose stripes, it looks like that. We can choose text color, background color, font sizes. Dimensions are for padding and margin, and we could change how the borders look here. Now, if you need to add or remove something, I'm going to click on, well, no, let's click on Larry here, and this box right here, edit table, we can add row after, and we could put something else in there. Oh, look, I spelled Larry's last name wrong. There we go. And if you want to remove one, then you click here and you go to delete row. And as you can see, you can do columns as well. So let's hit save and go look at our table. And there you are. That's how you make a table in WordPress. As always, be sure to leave questions and comments in the comment section below.